Last time you saw us, we were traveling the South, learning a little about each state as we drove and making a couple of great stops along the way. We've made it to the Panhandle of Florida. We've got one more stop to make before settling into where we're staying. Eden Garden State Park is one of 175 state parks in Florida. This system of parks feature trails, historic sites, and beaches. They've received multiple awards honoring them as the best in the country. They're a great deal. Approximately 163 acres, Eden Garden State Park's main attraction is the renovated Wesley home. For a small fee, the stately 1897 mansion can be toured Thursday through Monday. The hourly tours are limited to 10 people. Since we were number 11 and 12 in the room, we decided to just spend time on the grounds and enjoy the view. Oh, and have you noticed that the Hubs has switched out his flannel shirts? Forced to close after Hurricane Michael, St. Andrews State Park has rebuilt and is good as new. It has over 170 campsites.
How's it going, sir? You want to park in this parking lot right here? You want to go inside that building? Camper registration will take care of you.
This building?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
We snagged a private spot with a spectacular view. Vowing never to miss a good sunrise, we headed to the beach the next morning. Considered to be one of the best beaches in the country, St. Andrews has 1.5 miles of sugar white sand. If you don't take advantage of visitor centers, you're missing out. We like talking to the locals. They're the experts, not the internet. So we've been having an ongoing conversation about alligators and dogs. You see, I tend to be like, let's be cautious. I'm a researcher and I want to know what we'll encounter and I want to prepare. The Hubs, he's more like, it'll be fine. A man of no preparation. I'm sure there's a balance in the middle somewhere. So the Hubs, in his infinite wisdom, asked the longtime resident at the visitor center if she thought we should be concerned about alligators attacking dogs. Here's what she thought. Dogs are not alligators' natural food source. You rarely hear of a dog attack. But don't let your dog swim with alligators, and know that they can get aggressive in warmer months during the mating season. She also told us that she'd be more concerned about poisonous snakes. So guess what? Now I'm afraid of poisonous snakes. She also told us that this area was very dog-friendly and welcome on most beaches. So we took Sadie for a walk before heading to Panama Beach. A more mature sister to Panama City Beach, the historic downtown is home to unique shops, art galleries, with a historic vibe. In the early 1900s, Panama City got its start as a port town, quickly becoming popular as a hub for fishing and shipping. It was an incredibly windy day. In fact, the beaches were closed to water activities due to the strong currents produced by the harsh wind. But on this day, we talked to a fellow who was determined to be on the water. Ouch. The next stop was a historic town of St. Andrews. We were starving, so we decided to grab a bite to eat. Except for the fact that Ernie's overlooks Panama City Harbor, I wasn't expecting much and thought it might be overpriced. But it wasn't. Great service, and the food was incredible. It definitely deserves a shout out. We took some time to get a self-guided tour through the Florida Stories walking tour app. As you approach the next destination, the app narrates about the history of what you're looking at. There are several tours for different towns in Florida on the app. This is the best time of day. We can freely walk in nature to witness 1,000 miracles. So remember the conversation we've been having about alligators eating Sadie? Well, here's the test. The first trail we took at St. Andrews State Park was named Gator Lake Trail, and yes, we saw an alligator.
I just wanna dance for the hell of it, hell of it. Wanna take a chance for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Wanna raise my hands 'cause I'm feeling it, feeling it. Are you feeling this? Are you feeling this? Oh, you only got one life, so make it feel like sunshine. I feel the sun on my face, it's a brand new day, and it's telling me Feel the sun on my face, it's a brand new day, and it's telling me it'll all be okay. All the clouds and the rain that's from yesterday, yeah, I'm telling you it'll all be okay. It's a good day, it's a good day. Oh, I only got one life, so I'm gonna make it mine. Oh, when it's about that time, I'll make it feel like sunshine. I feel the sun on my face, it's a brand new day, and it's telling me it'll all be okay. All the clouds and the rain that's from yesterday, yeah, I'm telling you it'll all be okay. It's a good day, it's a good day, it's a good day, it's a good day.
The Hubs had been itching to get on the water. Since I wasn't feeling it, I ran shuttle. Join us next time as we explore Florida State Caverns and kayak Merritt's Mill Pond.
Singing in the shower is fun until you get soap in your mouth. Then it becomes a soap opera.